Hey, what's going on, guys? iHackersPro here. So I'm going to be starting a new series on the Hackintosh project. So I'm going to be showing you how you can install Mac OSX on any Windows based computer, so that it can be, and Intel or AMD graphics card based. So this method will work on Intel Core Duo, Intel Core i3, Intel Core i5, and Intel Core i7. Now, before you do this first step, which I'll be showing you today in the video, you do want to make sure that your computer is compatible. So just Google your model and your GPU and everything like that, your motherboard, and see if it is compatible. And if it is, we'll get into the video. So first off, you'll need to download two files. I have links in descriptions for them, but the first one is the Windows 32 disk imager, and the next one is from the Newish website, and we'll be using the Newish method, but you will need to download that, and from the Newish website you will need to download this torrent link, and you want to make sure you have a torrent client. So if you don't, I'll have a link for this website as well, but just head to utorrent.com and download that torrent client. And once you have downloaded utorrent, just open the link which is in the Newish file, open it with it will automatically open with uTorrent or whichever torrent client you have, and save it to your specified place. So you will need to have at least, well, you want to have a couple of things. First thing is you want to have a USB which is 8 GB of higher. You want to make sure that your local hard drive is either very big or and partition it, or just use that and wipe your Windows. And the next thing is that you will need to have access to the internet for this step, and that's basically just to download the OSX Mavericks disk image, or DMG, or ISO, whichever you want to call it. So once you have downloaded the file, which is there, it should come up something like that. You want to open up Windows 32 disk imager. It isn't any viruses whatsoever. Once you're on this, it's pretty simple. You just want to click this file right here. It will be automatically taken to your downloads file, but if you download it somewhere else, just locate to that directory. But you just want to click OSX Mavericks and click open. And then you want to plug in your hard drive disk. So once you have plugged in your hard drive disk, you want to locate it and find the file name. So as you can see, I'm using a hard drive for now, but I actually already have installed one showing you what to do. As it's file name F, you just want to make sure you click F. You will need to have to write over this USB, so you want to make sure it is clean and clear of everything, because it's going to wipe it completely and make it bootable. But you have to make sure it's 8 GB of higher, as the OSX Mavericks file is 5.5 gigs, I think it is, 5.6, something like that. Nevertheless, you want to make sure that, and then you click write. So once you have clicked write, you've completed the first step and made your USB bootable. So I'll see you in the next video on step 2 of the Hackintosh project.